Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. I've got with me today another unboxing. Now this watch, it's a new brand that I've not reviewed on this channel before, but I have had their watches before because they're a very established, excellent brand. And this is actually a true dive watch because I wanted a real diver just to show people what they're like. Yes, this is a Citizen watch. It's the BN0150-61E. Now this actually uses Citizen solar technology. Ooh, wow. That is a handsome watch. Now it's actually 44 millimeters nominal, but what you will find is, I've been told off multiple people and I've seen multiple reviews, is that the watch fits much more like a 42, 41 mil, even though it is bigger. And that's because of the way they've done the case, because the actual dial doesn't actually look that big. Bezel feels pretty good. It is only a mineral crystal and it is only a aluminium bezel, and I hate aluminium bezels, but at this price level, you know, off these big brands like Citizen, Victorinox, etc., it is unusual that you would get, you know, because I only paid around £200 for this watch. It feels really good. Now the other great thing about this watch, right, is the clasp. The clasp has a ratcheting system, and on the fly ratcheting. Can you see that? You can just pull it out like that and set it on a different setting in, I believe, 2 mil increments, and then you can just push it back. You know, we rarely get this type of technology on a sub £1,000 watch, really. Most clasps, you know, are quite poor really off these types of manufacturers, but this one does have an outstanding clasp, which I will review soon. This is a true diver's watch. As you can see, it has the Divers 200 on it, so it has got the ISO certification where it's ensured that it meets the standard by putting it through various tests. It's also got tough sole, not tough sole, that's Casio's terminology. It's also got Ecodrive, which is there, so it will have some type of a photo cell inside of it, and it'll charge. So the battery will be replaceable, but I think the battery will last probably years and years and years, because you don't need to swap the battery out like a normal quartz watch. So leave this one with me. I'm going to review it soon on the channel. Can't wait to get it fully on my wrist. Thanks a lot for checking my reviews out. I've got loads more coming up. It's Dave. Nice one.